Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Forest Hills Academy. Good afternoon, Southeastern Karaga Mission teachers. Today, I will share the highlights of the activities of Bayugan Adventist Learning Center Incorporated. These activities show how our school helps students grow in knowledge, character, and faith in God. Our school year started in June 2025. Students came back with excitement and joy to see their classmates and meet their teachers again. On the first day of school, we learned our classroom rules and prepared ourselves for a new year of learning. On July 25th, we celebrated Nutrition Month, where we learned the importance of eating healthy foods such as fruits and vegetables. Our teachers also reminded us that our bodies are the temple of God, so we should always choose healthy food and practice good habits. On August 27th, we celebrated Buwan ng Wika. Students wore traditional Filipino clothes and joined different presentations such as poems, songs, and short performances. We were reminded to be proud of our language and respect our Filipino culture and traditions. On August 30th, we celebrated Adventist Education Day. This special day reminded us of the importance of Christian education. We thanked God for our school, where we learn not only academic subjects but also Bible teachings and good character. On September 12th, we had our first recognition day. Awards were given to students who did their best in class. This activity encouraged all students to study well, be responsible, and always give their best in everything they do. From September 15th to 19th, we had our week of prayer. We listened to inspiring messages from the Bible, sang songs, prayed together, and were encouraged to grow closer to Jesus in our daily lives. On September 30th, we celebrated Adventurer and Pathfinder Day. These clubs teach us important values such as leadership, discipline, teamwork, and service to others. On October 3rd, we celebrated World Teachers' Day. We thanked our teachers for their patience, kindness, and dedication in teaching us every day. On October 29th, we celebrated the United Nations celebration. Students dressed in costumes representing different countries. We learned that even though people come from different nations, we can live in peace, unity, and respect for one another. From November 23rd to 28th, we held our Children's Crusade. Children listened to Bible messages about Jesus and His love for us. Through songs, stories, and lessons, we were encouraged to follow Jesus and grow in our faith. On December 17th, we had our year-end program. Students presented songs, dances, and other performances to celebrate the blessings of the year and thank God for guiding our school throughout the year. From January 12th to 16th, 2026, we had another week of prayer, helping us begin the new year by strengthening our faith. We were reminded to trust Jesus, read the Bible, and pray every day. On February 12th, we celebrated Family Day. Students and parents joined different games and activities, strengthening the relationship between families and the school. We were reminded that families are a special blessing from God and that love and unity should always be present in our homes. On March 25th, 2026, we had our 15th Moving Up ceremony for nursery and kindergarten, celebrating another milestone our young learners have achieved and the beginning of another step in their Adventist education journey. We are also happy to share that our school is currently undergoing the construction of new classrooms. This will provide a better and more comfortable learning environment for our students. We are deeply grateful to the generous donors who made this possible. Some have chosen to remain anonymous, preferring that the glory be given to God alone. Whether named or unnamed, their love for Christian education has made a great difference. The construction is still ongoing, and we humbly ask for your continued prayers. We trust that the new classrooms will be completed before classes begin. Let us pray that the Lord will provide everything still needed, the resources, the workers, and the strength, so that our students will have a welcoming place to learn when the new school year opens. All these activities show that Bayugan Adventist Learning Center Incorporated is not only a place for academic learning, but also a place where students grow in faith, character, and service. We thank God for His guidance and blessings upon our school, our teachers, our students, and our families. Thank you, and may God continue to bless us all.